Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscription button. We are all family here so we can get to know each other. Guys, this is a spring entryway video and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Guys, my wreath is from Goodwill. It was actually $3.99 and it was 50% off, so it was about $150. Don't you love that? My sconces on the wall are from Goodwill as well. Guys, like I said, you do not have to break the bank. I love to shop high things but in a low budget, so you're going to see that a lot in my channel here. This art gallery wall art I got at American Furniture Warehouse. You can Google them online. My chair is from Target. The throw blanket on there is from Home Goods, and the pillow is from Burlington Coat Factory, as they call it now, Burlington, just Burlington. My lantern, I have two of them, also got at Goodwill, and it was brand new. It's a Target price. And guys, it's very simple, and everything that I have here was here previously, except that I removed the table, the entryway table, and I added the chair and the ornament, which I feel like is more spring, more classic. It doesn't have to be an entryway table all the time. So guys, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you do have any questions, please don't be afraid to let me know. Ask any questions, leave a comment, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. God bless you all. Love you all.